Here we got some numbers in square roots. Numbers in square roots, these are called surds, and we are supposed to know how to simplify them. So from the rules of indices, we know that a times b to the n will be equal to a to the n, b to the n. So if we now play this a times b to the power of half, that means a to the half, b to the half. Therefore, we mean to the half means take the square root. So the square root of ab is the same as doing the square root of a times the square root of b, and this is what we're going to use when we solve these. So this is called one of the rules of surds. So we're going to simplify this surd, which is square root of 20. Square root of 20 we write as 4 times 5, and then we separate it as the square root of 4 times the square root of 5. We don't tend to write in the multiplication sign. The square root of 4 is 2, so this becomes 2 root 5. Right, b, square root of 28 over 2. Well, 28 can be written as 4 times 7. So square root of 4 times 7 over 2. And separating out, there's a square root of 4 times the square root of 7 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2. And square root of 7 we can't take, and we put it over 2. Obviously now the 2's cancel out. And we're just left with the answer being the square root of 7. Right, we've got something a bit more complicated now. 6 root 5 minus 2 root 20 plus the square root of 320. Right, there isn't much we can do with that, so we'll just leave it as it is. I'm going to write the 5 in red. Now the square root of 20, so it'll be minus 2 times the square root of 4 times 5. And then if we take 5 into 320, we're going to get the square root of 5 times 64. So what's appeared every time is the square root of 5. So we've got the 6 root 5, square root of 4 is 2. No, we haven't done that yet. So we've got the square root of minus 2 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 5 plus the square root of 5 times the square root of 64. So the next line will be the common factor of root 5, so we'll take that out. So then we're going to have 6 minus 2 times the square root of 4, which is minus 4, and the square root of 64 is 8, plus 8. Then 6 minus 4 plus 8 is 10, root 5 as the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how you can simplify surds. Hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.